my god, is he really about to drop another excuse video right now?
Hey, this time I think I got a valid reason. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I am making an excuse video. It's because I was focused on editing videos for the Gone Wild live clips and podcasts. So as of the 24th this week, all of the content that was on this channel would be officially fully transferred to that channel. Like, it's scheduled out. All of the content that is Gone Wild specific is over there and not here. Now, content that has been recorded through the Gone Wild live stream is now going to be posted there. These are the first of the new Gone Wild clips that are officially going to be posted. I just chopped up episode 12. So make sure you guys check that out. Make sure you subscribe to that channel. And while we're updating you guys on this, we're going to let you guys know about some other updates about the Gone Wild live stream, such as the fact that the full uncut live streams are actually going to be on our Patreon, as well as exclusive clips that YouTube doesn't believe I should make money from, which is fine because those clips are going to be on the Patreon for those who are in the second or third tiers, being the Wild Trailblazers and the Nomad Elite. And also, the final update is we are rescheduling the live streams for football season. We don't want to make you choose whether or not you want to catch Thursday Night Football or watch the Gone Wild live stream. So we are moving the live stream to Friday nights at 9 during the course of the football season. We want to make sure that we're catering to as many people as possible. And of course, since a lot of our users are listening in from their mobile phones, they can actually access them while on their own drives and while they're dashing around. Again, this is temporary for football season. We want to make sure people can enjoy the content that we are putting out without having to choose between something they actually enjoy and something that'll move their life forward. I'm all for delayed gratification, but I'm also for making sure we're catering to as many people as possible. So guys, make sure you catch the Gone Wild live streams on Friday nights at 9 during football season. Again, we're going to keep it short because this is an excuse video, and I just spent 2 hours on a web call with Jimmy Thompson testing out an AI thing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.